Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to get a perfect and a smooth straight edge while working using double crochet. So normally if you see, we will be using turning chain. While using for double crochet, we will be doing chain 2 as a turning chain for each row. And here if you see, we have done double crochet on the same turning chain. So if you see in the first row, you'll be having 2 stitches in a single stitch, next stitch 1 and next stitch 2, next 1, next 2. But you'll get a straight edge. But the smoothness, if you see, it is not that much great. Same way, the another method is we'll be doing the turning chain, chain 2, and we will skip that chain and we'll do the double crochet in the next chain. So if you see, you'll get a straight edge, but it will not be that much perfect. I have a solution to overcome these two problems. So we are going to see that in this video. So let's see how to solve these problems in this video. There is two methods to overcome this problem and to get a perfect smooth and a straight edge. So for that, I have made a chain already. Next row, we are going to make a double crochet. We'll skip the first stitch. The second stitch, you are going to do a single crochet. And next, if you see, so this is the single crochet. You'll have a 2 strands here. You can see like this. Next, you are going to work in this one part, not by taking both. You'll be working in this one strands. So we'll be inserting the hook in this one strand, then yarn over, pull through that loop. Again 2 loops. Again, you're going to do a single crochet. So we have done 2 single crochet in this second stitch. So this represents the first double crochet. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Likewise, you're going to continue by doing double crochet till you reach the last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. For the next row, we are not going to do any turning chain. Turn your work, extend the yarn little bit, and you're going to do 1 single crochet in the first chain. Next, you'll be doing in this first strands of yarn here. This first stitch, you'll insert it here in the first loop. Yarn over, pull through that loop. Again, you'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This represents the first double crochet. Next, you are going to do the double crochet as usual till you reach the end. So if you see here, you are getting a smooth and a perfect straight edge. So this is the first method. For the next method, there is no end. Not going to skip any 3 chains. You'll skip the first chain. You're going to work in the second chain. That is, extend the yarn little bit like this. Next, hold the yarn with thumb or any finger. Wrap the yarn around the hook like this and bring the hook pointing to yourself. Insert the hook in the second chain. Yarn over, pull through that chain. If you see, now we have 3 loops here. Next, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Again, you'll have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So now we have done the first double crochet. Next stitch, you're going to do double crochet as usual, how we will be doing them. So it looks like this. You'll do double crochet till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, for the next row, you're not going to chain any turning chain. Instead, turn your work, extend your yarn little bit, hold the yarn along with this hook, twist the yarn over the hook like this, bring the hook facing you, insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch. Now you'll have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This acts as the first double crochet. Next, you're going to do double crochet as usual till you reach the end. So if you see here, you will get a perfect straight and a smooth straight edge. This is the 2 method which we have to follow to get a smooth and a perfect straight edge while working using double crochet. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.